Hi guys! Welcome to Mariel Lesson Channel. So today's video guys, finally, nag-move na po kami kahapon sa aming bagong tirahan. So makikita niyo po, ito po yung bahay. Tingnan niyo, ang ganda po. So ngayon, ipapakita ko po sa inyo, sa inside ng bahay, nakapark na po ang aming sasakyan. So tara! Follow me! So meron ditong entrance sa front lang po, dito sa left side. May door po dyan. Pero normally, dito po talaga yung main. So this is the parking area for our car. Nasa front lang po. And this is the main door. Yung parang may veranda po kami dito. It's very nice early in the morning kasi lumalabas po dito yung araw. So it's very nice to sit here early in the morning para magpapainit dito. Kanina lang ang ganda ng panahon dahil lumabas yung araw. So ngayon it's afternoon, mga 5 p.m. na to 6 p.m. So malaki po talaga yung veranda. Sylvester can run around here and si Sylvester nasa inside po. Alright. Let's open the door. Come in. So this is the inside. It's so cozy here, guys. This is our kitchen. It's very nice, very clean, and this is where I cook. It's an electric stove, and we have oven. I really love the kitchen, to be honest. Ang dami pong gamit na we don't need to buy. Kompleto na po talaga. Ayan, sobrang dami. We are so lucky na nag-move po kami sa bahay na kompleto na po talaga ang gamit. Very lucky po talaga kami na Pinay po ang may-ari ng bahay nito, which is, she has a Pinay heart. She let us to use all her stuff. Dito naman, makikita po natin, ang dami po talagang saucepan, frying pan, at ang dami pong mga kagamitan sa pagluto-luto. Gusto po namin maghalo-halo. Ayan. Ang dami na po talagang kumpletong appliances. Nasa kitchen area pa lang tayo, guys. Meron na din kettle, tsaka rice cooker, toaster. Kahit ngayong mga pagkain nila, iniwan na po nila sa amin. Kasi ang bahay talaga nito, parang panghalidi lang nila. So may mga gamit talaga sila dito originally, but instead kukunin nila, ay ipapagamit na lang po sa amin. Masasabi ko lang po talaga na how lucky we are and very thankful, thank you Lord, na nagkatagpo kami ng isang Pinay na napakabait po talaga and super generous. So tapos na po tayo sa kitchen area at ito lang pala talaga ang binili namin since we moved here. Fridge. We spent around $900 this fridge. Originally po talaga, meron po talaga silang sariling fridge. Pero nag-advise kasi sa amin yung may-ari na much better daw na bumili kami ng malaki since we are family. And also, we are very far from the city. So, we have to stock up food talaga palagi. So, ang fridge na to parang baliktad. Kasi normally yung freezer nasa itaas. Ito ay nasa ibaba yung freezer. So, let's open the first door. Ang dami pong pagkain. It's like, stock up na po talaga. Maybe for 2 weeks. So, marami pong prutas dahil we really love fruits at na-miss po talaga namin yung prutas. Prutas dito rin. Marami pong blueberries. And we have a very, very big bottle of olives. Olives po siya, yung prutas talaga na olives. Marami na din pong gulay. I love asparagus, broccoli. Yan po talaga ang mga variety gulay na kinakain namin. And guess what? Yung may-ari po, meron siyang tanim na kalamansi. And she make sure po talaga, nagdala siya sa akin at binigyan niya ako. That's so nice of her. And I really love it, kalamansi. At dito guys, we have tomato, butter, nag-stock up po kami gatas. What inside the freezer? Karne. Nag-stock up na ako ng karne. And dito naman, ang laman ay bread. Because Sylvester and David, that's what they eat sa breakfast nila. And I do eat bread as well. And to keep it fresh, kailangan mo talaga siya i-freezer. Mo-mold din yung bread. So dito guys, this is our cupboard. So dito po namin nilalagay yung mga pagkain, canned food, anything, oil, Vegemite, makikita nyo po ang dami, and fresh bread. 6 po kasi yung binili namin, so maganda talagang cupboard na to dahil malaki. Ganda siyang istakan. At ang dami po ditong rice. Bumili po talaga si David. I think bumili siya ng mga 6 na tag 5 kg. Tapos ang bigas na to, sa may-ari pa ito guys, iniwan niya lang para ibigay sa akin. At marami pa po siyang iniwan na pagkain dito, mga canned food, she didn't bother to bring with her. Kaya, thank you so much talaga. At dito naman po yung lamisa namin. Meron pong 6 na upuan. Maganda po siya, very roomy, which is good po talaga. Pang pamilya ang size. Meron din ditong 3 upuan. Like early in the morning, if you want to have coffee inside the kitchen, you can sit here. So, turn na po tayo sa kwarto. This is our first room. Actually, spare room siya kasi hindi talaga namin gagamitin para dito kami matulog. Tara guys, come in. Ayan, ganito po siya ang itsura. We have a lot of spare bed here. And ito yung bed dito, which is good guys. If we have a visitor, then we have a spare bed. And dito naman, mga blankets, pillowcase. So, mainly, para lalagyan lang talaga ito ng mga blanket, pillowcase, para ma-space naman tayo. And ito po yung pangalawang kwarto ni Sylvester. Actually, dito siya natulog last night. Come in, guys! Meron siya ditong small table. Dahil binilhan ko naman si Sylvester ng Lego. So, dito siya naglalaro. And he has a small basket po talaga. We make sure he has a basket pagkatapos yung maglaro para hindi magkalat, girls. Kasi mas maganda talaga, nice and tidy. And he has a small cupboard here. Maganda siya kasi I can separate his pants, his socks, and ito yung mga books niya sa itaas. And ito naman yung very cute bed niya. Dito talaga siya natulog last night. Ayan. May star-star pa yung bedsheet. Natulog siya dito last night and he wake up around 2 a.m. He was screaming actually, "Mommy! Mommy!" I got waking up like, "Sylvester, come here." He went to our bed. At yung kwarto namin, next door lang po talaga kan Sylvester. Ito po guys. Come in. Actually, masira pala to. Pwede namin tong isira. And you can open it. At ito naman yung kwarto namin ni David. Very nice. Cozy. I love the bedsheets, like girly-girly talaga. Pink, medyo pink siya. And yes, it's very nice. Very roomy po talaga siya. At I believe kailangan na siyang i-close to. Our neighbors can see us. Ito. And dito guys, sa front lang, this is our cupboard. One for me, one for David. And we have a big mirror here. Pwede ako dito mag-passion. Parang ang dami kong damit. Actually, sa may-ari po yan. Iniwan niya po yung mga jacket niya, yung mga pang-winter clothes dahil gusto niya pong ibigay sa akin. How generous she is. Kaya ang daming damit dyan. Pero ito po talaga yung damit ko. Kaunti lang. Pero yes, nasuot ko nga yung yung damit niya kasi my size is extra small. So nakahanap ako dyan ng maliit. Ito yung kulay black na sinusuot ko. Sa kanya yan. At marami pa dito. She even have a bag. She gave it to me. Yan. At marami pong pajama. Sinuot ko po kagabi yung pajama, yung kulay pink. Kaya, ayan, marami din ditong bini. Binigyan niya po talaga ako. Like, kumplito na po talaga. And at dito naman, we have TV here. We can watch while we're lying in the bed. And ito, mga lotion ko, nandito po nakalagay. At ang ganda po dahil ang dami pong cabinet. Marami kang pwedeng mapaglalagyan, which is good. At dito naman na side, ang kan David. Ayan. Ganito lang po kadami. Ang damit ng asawa ko. Actually, yung totoo talaga, marami talaga siyang damit na binili ko, guys. Pero nung bumalik siya, na siya lang dito sa Australia, nagdala lang siya ng maliit na bag. Ito. Ito lang yung dinala niya, which is mga 2 pants lang at saka 2 damit ang dinala niya. Until now, wala siya masyadong damit kasi iniwan niya sa Pilipinas. Siyempre, nung bumalik na ako dito sa Australia, binilhan ko ng mga damit yung asawa ko. Hindi nyo lang makita, guys. Dahil nanglaba po ako kanina, hindi ko pa po na-fold, nandun pa po sa basket. Nung ako naman bumalik dito sa Australia, ay nagdala lang ako ng maliit na bag. Kaya mostly, yung mga gamit ko lang ang nadala at yung mga damit ni David ay naiwan sa Pilipinas. So guys, we have a vacuum cleaner here. That's it. This one, binili po namin ito dahil sa makikita nyo po, carpet po yung floor. Hindi talaga siya madala lang ng broom lang talaga, normal broom. We have to use vacuum. So, yes, one thing, ito yung binili namin and also the fridge. Dito naman, there's another room for laundry. Just opposite our room, this is our laundry area. Dito po ako naglalaba at maganda rin siya guys kasi we have a sink here. At yung washing machine, yung size ay malaki po siya, which is I'm happy. At dito naman, para siyang cupboard or cabinet. Dito ko po nilalagay yung mga sabon. Mga sabon. Taran! Ang dami na pong gamit kasi sa may-ari pa po yan. Hindi niya na po kinuha. Binigay niya na po sa amin. Which is, we are very lucky. Marami pong toilet paper, sabon. Kompleto po siya. This is our toilet. Maganda po yung toilet. Malinis at saka malaki. And dito, it's a window. You can actually open that. At dito naman po guys, sa kabilang side, next door lang po ng toilet, it's our bathroom. This is our bathroom. Kung saan po kami maliligo. It's nice. It has a bathtub, sink. And this is where we shower. Ayan. And it's nice kasi once you turn on the light, kasi malamig pa guys, light is automatic. Meron siyang heater. And ang ganda, pag nilalamig ka, you just stand up in the middle. Na yun, hindi na malamig. And of course, one of my favorite here, it's the mirror. Because I feel pretty in that mirror. Mirror lang guys ha, kasi yung light, nagpapaganda sa'yo. We always make sure, turn off po talagang mga light. Pag hindi siya ginagamit. Kasi we have to pay our own electricity. Kaya tipid-tipid talaga. This is Sylvester's room. Turn off po natin pag hindi ginagamit. This is our lunch room. Malaki po. And tingnan niyo po si Sylvester. Hi! Sobrang relaxing. Hello, Sylvester. Say hi in my vlog. Come here. Say hi, guys.
Hi guys, I'm very happy. Got beautiful house of my own room.
You like it?
Yes,
Do you like this house?
yes, we can stay here all the day. We can stay here forever.
Oh my God! Gustong-gusto ni Sylvester dito magstay.
Look,
What movie is that? It's a Paddington!
Paddington's up.
Yay! Na-miss mo na yung Paddington?
Yeah.
And we have a big lunch chair here. Oh, grabe. Ganda. This is my favorite area po talaga. Umupo kasi parang nare-relax talaga yung likod ko. Actually, you can put this one up. Ayan! There we go. You can put it up. And you can put it down if you want. How do you put it down?
You gotta push down with your feet.
Alright. That's it. Ganun din dito sa isa, guys. Pareho lang sila. Dahil gabi na, it's dinner time, magluluto po ako ng soup beef.
My wife's already cooking dinner. How's it going there, honeybee? What's cooking?
Hi! Making soup, sinabaw, baka. And look at all the vegetables. Good night, guys! Matulog po muna kami at ang lamig po talaga tonight. Morning! Kakagising lang po namin and of course, lumabas po yung araw. Actually, kanina pa talaga ako gumising at nakapanglaban na po ako. Ang ganda po talaga dito sa veranda. I think ngayon ang pinakamalamig sa Adelaide. So, itutour ko po kayo dito sa aming backyard. So, Sylvester playing the scooter already. Hi, darling, come here. So, ito po yung sa labas. Hindi po talaga super grassy dito. Mostly bato siya dito. And dito, this is our clothesline. And ito po yung sa likod ng kwarto namin. And of course, we have the shed. So, makapag-stock up po talaga ng mga gamit. At the moment, sirado po siya. And dito sa side, Sylvester can circle around here with his scooter. Lalabas yun dito. So, dito yan sa side ng window po namin. And I believe nandito si Sylvester. At pwede kami dito magtanim sa totoo dahil malaki po yung backyard. And ganyan po siya kalaki. Very nice dito po guys yung area dahil very peaceful. At dito naman ay sa front po to ng gate namin. May mga bulaklak dito. I think roses. Diyan po namin nilalagay yung basura. Bin. And Sylvester, where are you? Hi! So ito, may mga bulaklak po dito. That's it. Breakfast time! It's nice to eat here outside. Good morning! Nagdi-date kami dito ni Sylvester. We're gonna ask my husband what his reaction since we moved in here. Actually, this is our first time ever that we rented a house. So, honey, what is your reaction that we have this house?
I'm really happy that we found a house to live in. I wasn't expecting that we were ever going to find a rental because we don't have many references. And I'm really thankful to the people that rented us this house. Very comfortable and happy here in the house, and it's set up really well for our family because usually we don't have much space in the caravan or the container that we're living in. So it's very easy to be functional here and do everything we need to do for our daily lives.
Same po sa akin, I'm very thankful po talaga sa may-ari na kababayan talaga, tunay po talaga na kababayan at super comfortable po talaga ang bahay niya. And that's all for today's video guys. Maraming salamat po sa inyong panonood. Bye!